Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope everyone is fine. So today in this short video I wanted to share the knowledge of French window with you people. So what is French window? Basically French window is is a window that is larger in size from normal windows, and we can use it for two main purposes. Like if you look at this window, it got the dimension of 8 feet in this direction and 8 feet in this direction, so it got an area of 64 square feet. Okay, so 64 square feet is much larger than normal windows, where normal windows got an area of like 20 feet or 22 feet, somewhere like that. So it got an area of 64 square feet. Now there are two basic purposes of using French window. The number one purpose is it can be used as a door. Like if you just look at here, I'm showing it from, okay, this is the floor, and you can see there's just one layer of bricks has been used here, so it can be used as a door. Okay, that from here you can see this is the door, and you can see this, there is no layer of bricks, but here there is one single layer of bricks, so it can be used as a door. That is the number first difference between normal windows and the French window, that French window can be used as a door. And the second purpose of this French window is it works, gets, or we can say that much more light enters in this house or in this hall because of this French window, because it got more area, so more natural light is going to go inside the house because of this French window. So these were the basic two differences between normal windows and this window, that this window this window does not absorb, it actually allows much more light to get inside this house because it got more size, and it can be used as a door. So this was all about French window. I hope so you would have understood the difference between the French window and the normal window. Keep sharing and share your knowledge regarding the French window with us. I hope so you would have understood the concept of this. Thank you.